doing today?
A couple of projects that we need to tackle. We need to finish pressure washing the deck, and there is some limbs that I need to cut. They were suggested by the pest control people because rodents jump from trees into the house.
But the sun is shining.
I know.
Shouldn't you be playing today?
Well, that's kind of playing.
This is more playing.
We're gonna be playing with water and with sharp things.
That's not playing. Try again. You're gonna hit the window. Yay! Time to finish this job. Get all this taken off so we can go get some new paint or stain and get our deck taken care of. This job's fun though. I don't mind doing this job. He doesn't want anything to be able to jump off the tree onto our roof. Let's see if he can reach it. So close. Come on, Dad. One more try. Nope, missed. One more try. Hey-ya. Got it. All right. See a little branch. Dad's gonna get clocked in the head, I think. Ah! Timber! Not above the roof no more. Now he's got that one up there that I don't think he can reach that one, so he's just gonna have to leave that one alone. Dad just can't let it go. He's got to try to get that branch no matter what. So now he's up on the roof, standing at the edge, reaching up to get that branch off of there. Ah, Dad, don't fall off the roof. Careful, Dad. I got a little bit. Oh, it's so scary. No ladders up there, no way. No. Good enough. Yay. While he's up there, he's gonna look at the branches on the other side of the house and see if there's any that he needs to cut while he's up there. Good luck with that, Dad. Evidence of all my hard work, guys. All my evidence down the drain. I just washed off all the evidence of the hard work that I did. And I come outside and Dad's effort has bigger results. It's not fair. Look. Dad's hard work filled up the whole yard. That's not fair.
That's a lot of work.
I guess this is gonna be the hard work for another day.
Yeah, I'm done. My back is killing me.
All right, so I don't think it'll hurt anything to leave it like that.
Hey, but check it out. Look what I found.
The bounty is here.
Look at the size of those up there.
Our salmon berries. Oh, I see a whole bunch of salmon berries the birds have already eaten.
Yeah.
Man, they must be ready to go then.
There's some big ones there.
There's a big dude up there. Nice.
Can I have that one?
Jaxie loves salmon berries. Let me see it first before you eat it, so we can show everybody what a salmon berry looks like. So it looks kind of like a blackberry or a raspberry, except that it's orange and it's got like red fuzzies on it.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like yummy sour.
Well, eat it. Now, what does it taste like?
Like a salmon berry.
Does it taste a little bit like a salmon berry? No, it doesn't. What's it taste like?
It tastes like no. It tastes like the good sour.
Like a good kind of sour? Does it taste like a lemon?
No.
Does it taste like an orange?
No.
Does it taste like a blackberry?
Actually, it tastes like orange.
Kind of like an orange? It looks like orange.
I want to get mine.
Yummy. All right, Dad, eat it and describe the flavor in as much detail as possible.
It does not taste like a blackberry. It's not as well. Right now, they're not all the way sweet. It's a combination between a strawberry, like when it's not ripened all the way, and a blackberry. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know. They just have a particular taste. They're not overly sweet. And there's some huge ones. I can see some big ones from here.
I think the big ones are for the birds, though, because they're way up there.
Roxy, come here. Okay, now stand on my shoulders. Ready? Put your
You
feet
gotta
on my
stand
shoulders.
up.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna straighten your legs all the way up. Daddy's gonna hold on to your knees. Hold on to his knees, Daddy. Stand up, Jax. Reach him. Reach him. Almost. Don't you let him fall. Yay, he got one.
That one. I pushed it already.
Did you get scared and smushed it? Yay! You reached a bounty.
Okay.
Yum! Daddy and I finished our chores today. Daddy finished cutting all of the trees away from the roof so we didn't have any little pests jumping on our roof. And I finished pressure washing the deck with some of your help. Malia's got it. Where's my round of applause? There we go. Bigger. There we go. Nice. And then Jaxie and Daddy found some salmon berries. The salmon berries are finally ripening. Jordan was in the house already by the time we found the salmon berries, so he missed out. But Jordan doesn't really appreciate salmon berries very much anyways.
I love salmon berries.
You do?
Yeah.
You missed the salmon berries. I thought you didn't like them, so I didn't make an effort to come and get you. I did not know that you liked them. Oopsie. It looks like we won't get enough this year to make any jelly or syrup or anything like I was hoping to do this year. Last year we had more berries than this year, but maybe next year we'll have more. I don't know why we didn't get very much. Well, guys, I think we get enough chores for today. I think it's probably just time to put my Smartypantses to bed. So,
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to make the channel strong, share it with your friends. And now, good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Touch it. Poop. My favorite part was the salmon berry.